everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a classic yellow cake. Start with 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, a ½ teaspoon of salt, and 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Set that aside. Now into our stand mixer, 1 cup of softened butter. That's pretty soft there. 2 cups of granulated sugar. Beat that up in your mixer for about 8 minutes. You will need to scrape down the bowl as necessary. Give it another mix. Now we're going to add 4 eggs, one at a time, mixing after each egg. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. This happens to be vanilla bean paste. Now we're adding the flour mixture. 1/3 of the flour mixture, 1/2 of the whole milk, and then another 1/3 of the flour mixture, and the second half of that delicious whole milk, and then the last of that flour. You want to do this on low. And by the way, I'm making this cake for my friend Patrick. He said that he couldn't find any place to make a yellow cake with chocolate frosting, even though it's a classic. That's why I have classic in the title. And now we've mixed it up pretty well. You just want to add in, make sure that that flour and milk are completely mixed in. Okay, taking one last swipe of that beater, and now I'm pouring the batter evenly into 2 8-inch pans that have been greased, and they need to bake for about 40 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Then they need to cool. After they've cooled for about 10 or 15 minutes, then I'm going to dump them out so that they can cool completely. Watch this, baking's so fun. Just another day in the kitchen. Just repositioning them. Now that second one's got to come out. There we go. I'm flipping them right side up, but I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter. Now these need to cool completely. I'm going to let them cool for about a ½ an hour on the counter, then I'm going to put them in the freezer. Now I'm making the chocolate frosting. We've got 1 cup of butter, a ½ cup of cocoa powder, and a ½ teaspoon of instant coffee powder. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, but you can use vanilla extract. And here I'm adding 4 cups of powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time. So I'm going to add 1 cup in and then give it a stir, get that all mixed in, and then add another cup. Then I'm going to add a little bit of milk, and then more of the powdered sugar, and then I might need some more milk. And I'd like to mention here that my friend Patrick and I have known each other for 39 years, and I know it's been 39 years because we worked in an office together, and when I went on a maternity leave for my son, Patrick was there when I got back. So I know it's been 39 years because my son just turned 39. You do want to beat this frosting about 5 minutes on medium-high. That gives it a really great texture and it makes it really airy and delicious. Magic, you see magic. Okay, you want it to be a nice spreadable consistency. I put a little dab there underneath the cake so it'll hold on to it a little bit. And I put about a ½ cup of frosting, maybe a little bit more, onto this first layer. You just need to spread that around. Now we're going to put the second layer. I did put the bottom up. Now I'm putting most of the frosting on the cake now, and I just need a little bit for the trim. I'm trying to aim this towards the camera, but it's really hard to do it from the opposite side. But you see what we're doing here. We're just spreading that frosting all around the whole cake. And it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, I like it better when it's not perfect. Now I'm just cleaning that cake board so that we can put that trim around the outside. Now you don't want to fill your bag all the way, just in case you didn't know that. I didn't know that when I first started doing it, and I used to overfill my bag all the time. You want to fill it a little bit more than halfway. You got to be able to twist it there. Now I'm doing just a little shell border on the bottom. Now I'm just adding a couple rows of stars. I did try to speed this up. I wasn't really doing this that fast. And there you have it. How cute is that? I got these little candles at the Dollar Tree. Don't tell Patrick. I'm going to tell him I got them at some fancy baking goods store. Thanks so much for watching. I do appreciate you. Have a great day. You take care now.